Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing another easy swipe over some bright yellows, gold and orange. For those of you struggling to get your swipes to work, I'm also going to show you the consistency of my paint as we go. I'm hoping that will help you out a little bit. To help create the cells that you'll see forming during the swipe, I'm adding 1 drop of silicone oil to each of the base paint colors and then giving them a quick stir. Each of these base colors is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water plus 1 drop of silicone oil. For those of you who don't use Loft or Liquitex Basics paints, I also wanted to show you what the consistency of my paint looks like. This is the consistency that you should be aiming for, having a mound form and then disappear into the cup. Depending on how thick your paint is, you may need to add more or less water than I do to get your paints to this consistency. Generally, craft paints are thinner than the Artist Loft paints that I typically use, so for those paints you may not need to add much or any water to achieve this consistency. While I'm pouring these paints on, I also just wanted to let you know that I'm going to be experimenting with the pearl pour technique sometime in the next few weeks. So I'm hoping that you'll join me for that. I am finding that to be a more difficult technique than the swipe technique. So I'm hoping that I can kind of share a bit of what I'm learning with you and help you maybe get that technique to work too. You can find all the paint colors, ratios and supplies that I'm using today listed in the description box. For the swipe, I'm using ivory black paint that's mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. This paint is a thinner consistency than the paint already on the canvas, and it doesn't contain any silicone oil. This is what the consistency of this paint looks like. I'm using a piece of plastic that I cut out from the plastic that the canvas came packaged into swipe. I'm just dragging this along very slowly and gently. I love the strong contrast between the yellow and the black, and we've got some fun looking cells up here. Anyway, thanks for joining me, and if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.